Legends of Learning presents the Math Trolls in the Sledgehammer of Division game. This is a math game that makes learning about understanding whole number division fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, a fun, interactive, semi-open world RPG waits for you for learning the basics of divisions. Help Broc recover the gems of wisdom that had been taken by their fellow hungry trolls. Find the Sledgehammer of Division and the 3 gems of wisdom to restore the power of mental math among the trolls.
I will let you pass.
This math journey will challenge your ability to apply division to math problems. Use the W, A, S, and D keys to move around the map. Use the E button to interact with people and objects. Use Q to drop any items being carried. Interact with different clues in each area of the map to progress to another section of the world. Solve all the math problems to progress further. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
4 groups out of 8.